And I'm Chloe, and welcome to Millie and Chloe DIY.
Today we're at Ikea. Now we're here because I need a new desk, a new chair and a lamp because we both started high school and my desk isn't very comfy and nor is the chair.
Now, I'm not sure what I want to get, but it's always fun to explore Ikea, so without further ado, let's get started.
I can't wait to eat the fruit because I like the meatballs. Love the display rooms. Do you, Chloe?
Of course I do.
Oh, I can see you there. Would you like to join me for dinner?
Sure.
We're having pasta.
Yum.
What's in here?
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, that was awkward.
So what do you think about that chair?
I don't know, it's pretty ugly, but it's really comfortable, so it could be on our list. Now let's get back to it. This chair's prettier, but it's a bit more uncomfy, like there's no cushion, so let's go find a new one. I actually couldn't get out. This chair would be really comfy to do my homework, but it wouldn't match my room and it's a bit ugly, so now we have to go find another one.
Let's go. I love this one, but I don't think it's probably fitting for a desk.
We actually might be getting this for our house because my mum loves it and so do I. Like, it's so pretty. So, I think I'm going to get one of these because it is a laptop stand and I usually get a sore neck. So it will hold up my laptop a bit and it will hopefully make me not get such sore necks. So let's give it a try. It's too low. Oh, look at that. My favorite thing about Ikea, the food section. Oh, delicious.
What are you going to have?
Some of the options. Ooh, I don't know. Yes.
Millie, what are you gonna get? Millie,
I'm thinking maybe meatballs.
they're the best meatballs.
I changed my mind and went for pork because I love pork.
And I got the Swedish meatballs because I get them every time I come here.
I'ma come back like a boomerang. Yeah. So how's our Ikea travels going?
I think they're going pretty well and it's so much fun. And like the best part about Ikea is going through the display homes and just acting like it's your house and imagining when you're older, like how you're going to plan out your house.
We were actually taking photos, like I want this to be our house when we're older. And also, we haven't really found a chair for my desk yet because they're all a bit either pricey, ugly or uncomfy. So
Yeah.
hopefully we can find one, or I might just have to keep the one I have for the moment, and we haven't found a lamp yet because we haven't actually looked at the lamp section.
But I remembered I need to get a bowl for my squishes or something to put my squishes in because they're legit in a cardboard box.
But we still have a lot to go, so let's keep going. Let's go.
Gone downstairs into it's called the market hall area, where pretty much they just have all the stuff like their candles, bowls and all their other stuff that you see upstairs in the display areas, and you can come and get them and then you can go, so shop.
So Millie's mum and my mum reckon that these are the best thing Ikea sells.
Oh, they so are.
Yeah, they're pretty much, you just seal open bags or like chip things with them, and they're so handy, so we're getting some more because we've run out. I think we need probably 2 packs. Should we get 2 or 1 each? Okay. Satisfying. Unsatisfying. Now walk away.
No, we can't do this. We can't do this to the world. Now that's better. Let's go.
Gee, I wonder where Chloe went. Don't you guys agree? This is like those movie ones, you know, where they hold this and then they're just like, good night. Good morning. Night. Morning. So I'm gonna get this lamp. You can't really see it, but it's rose gold and bendy, and it's gonna work on my desk really well, hopefully at least. And so let's put it in.
I'm going to get this a set of 3 of boxes, and I'm going to stack them up in my room, and I'm going to put my squishies in this one because I need a spot for them, and then like some secondhand makeup for my sister because they're legit in a Nike shoe box right now, so I'm going to grab them and let's go.
Will you accept this, Rose?
No. Aww. So we found these in the candle section, and I don't know why, but I would just like to let you guys know, a lot of people ask what I have my, where the containers are from, which I have my makeup brushes in. They're from Ikea, they're these containers. They're called the containers, and I just put my makeup brushes and things in there. We have so many, they're so handy.
Bear Grylls here, and it's time to enter the jungle of furniture. Dun dun dun! So much packaged furniture. I've seen this. I really wanted to do of course I'm not going to do it, but I've always wanted to do like a what's it called, building a fort in Ikea and climbing up the rafters and stuff.
But I would get way too scared to do that.
Like, oh!
It's so cool though.
I think we may have stole this pun, but this furniture is the best.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Hello.
Run, Millie, run faster, faster. Salute, kind of. Guys, we're already a month into the school year and I still need to hem my school dress.
Good one. This pun is so depressing.
So this is a lampshade for Millie's lounge room. These are the boxes for my squishies and everything. These are some napkins. Some more napkins. A stand for Millie's computer to hold it up. Some straws. Some clips to make food live. A little lamp for Millie's room. Some brushes to take all the dog hair off the seats in their car. And some small tea light candles. What have we found?
I think these are some Swedish trolleys and everything looks amazing, but these look the best. So we just finished up at Ikea and it wasn't too successful. We didn't get a desk or a chair or anything for Millie, but we still got some pretty good stuff and an ice cream. So that's a great way to end the day. So we also got some lollies for a Swedish lolly taste testing video. And I'm so excited to film it because it's going to be yum. But we hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. And bye! Now let's get to the cup. Before you drop that. I'm dropping it. Bad decision. Bad decision. Bad decision. Abort mission.